Alrighty traders, the week has just finished and my. Gold is on the move. The gold sector and the mining sector, wow, has that completely turned around. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so see that trading course on the screen right now? Go get it right now. Actually, I've gotten so much amazing positive feedback and it is for free, guys. All right. So you go over there, you register for it and you get access to that. And it's for free. So let's actually get straight into the gold market now. And the one thing that I really have noticed when it comes to this gold market is, man, just how strong this market is. Now, one of the big mistakes that a lot of people are going to be making and are probably making right now is they're getting into gold now. Oh my goodness, gold's taking off. It's going to keep going up, right? You're going to keep going, right? So this is what I want you to do right now. See that mouse? Throw it out the window. Throw it in the pool. Flush the pool. There you go. Now, when the market opens up next week, go buy a new mouse. Right? Might be better anyway. So the whole thing, the reason why I'm saying that is because this is where a lot of amateurs get wrong about the markets and foundation on where good probability trades are and not so good probability trades, right? So for people that are not in gold right now, they're probably, oh my goodness, gold is making some moves. Gold making some moves. It's almost at all-time new highs. Oh my goodness, gold making some moves. Now, by the way, if you remember, do you remember the last 2 years I've been saying, don't touch crypto, don't touch crypto, don't touch crypto, touch gold, right? Even one of my mates, he's like, crypto. I'm like, no, gold. He's crypto. He's crypto. You know. Anyway, enough said about that. So the whole thing about gold is gone up. Now, what do you notice every time gold makes a move, okay? What do you notice? Actually, it's not even just gold, it's any market. We make a move and then we do what? Then we go for a pullback. We make a move, we go for a pullback. We make a move, we go for a pullback. You get the point, right? So the purpose of me telling you this is how markets work is they go through stair steps. And unfortunately, most traders wait for this to happen up here, probably where gold is right now. And again, I'm not calling the exact top today. Who knows when the top's going to be in? But we're probably getting towards the end of this overall move up before we see something like that. And that will happen, right? Yes, I am totally surprised about how strong gold has been. Over this last week, I expected to pull back a while ago. Now, again, I'm an investor in gold, so if it keeps going up, guess what? This guy, big happy camper. Smile in the dictionary, me, right? Hopefully you as well too, right? Is your name in the dictionary as well too when it comes to happy camper with gold right now? Leave a comment below, let me know. So that's what I'm seeing right now when it comes to gold in this gold market is we had a big move up and this is the complete wrong time to get in. Amateurs get in here and then the market inevitably does what? And then it has the pullback. And then it does this on them and they're like, oh, this thing sucks. This market's rigged, blah, blah, blah. No. You should be getting in here. As the market picks back up, this is where you look to enter. And then ride it up and get out, come down and get in to enter here, right? So anyway, that's based on trading the markets, right? So we trade the markets based off all that. So here is the thing that I'm noticing when it comes to the good old gold right now is that we definitely had an empowering move here. So we will get some form of a pullback eventually, guys. And the big thing that you'll notice is, look at this here, right? The big thing you'll notice is whenever we make these whenever we start to go parabolic in gold, and we start to get too far away from the 52 moving average. This is the 52 moving average here. When we get too far away, whenever we start, this is starting to get like really oversold now on the gold market. Yes, it can keep going up, but every time we've actually started to go parabolic here or parabolic here type thing, and even right here, right, like there, you can see we've always gotten a pullback to it. And look how far we are now away. And you notice that the market doesn't get too far away from the 52, there to there, there to there. You know, you get the point, right? There to there, so on and so forth, right? We don't get too far away from the 52 before what? Before we eventually start to come back to it. Now, we never know the exact day, the exact high on gold, but that's what we're seeing through there when it comes to the good old gold market. Moving on now through to silver. And my. Man, these metals are strong as hell, aren't they? I'm a happy camper, especially because I'm a very big investor in gold and the mining sector. So, hey, these last few months, giddy on up, right? So we can see still what's actually happening here with silver. Silver's definitely flattening out through here. So are we about to see another move to the upside with silver here, right? So because we're still getting this sort of flattening out period. It's still just looking, man, it's still just looking quite weak, right? We still haven't broken past this resistance level here. And you can see right now that we're actually not too far away from the 52, right? So we're actually pretty good there. The 52 is actually looking quite nice. We're pretty close to it, but we are flattening out here. So the question is, are we about to break out of this pattern through here, this big pattern through here? And are we about to break out of it? And are we about to see a movement back to the upside, like a real big, strong movement out of this here? Now, the big thing about, you'll notice with silver, is silver has a massive bullish flag. There you go. Mashes. Math. I can't talk. I just came back from the gym and I'm like, massive bullish flag type of a pattern, right? Look at that through there. Massive. So again, I'm actually expecting at least a little bit of a pullback just to reset a little bit before away we go. But again, we can see where we are right now. If we start to break, again, guys, it'd be much better if we get a pullback, then see the mock charge. Because if we break out like here, that could be actually some form of a frost breakout before we come back down, and then maybe do something like that when it comes to the good old silver market there. And last off the least, guys, I want to talk to you about the gold, the GDXJ here, right? The GDXJ for me, guys, is the baby in a sense. This is one of my big proponents of my entire investing fund. Investing fund as in my own money, right? So we have this movement here, but look at this here, right? This once again, look at the massive bullish flag we're getting here, up, and then now we're getting this massive bullish flag that's been forming through here. And once we start to see this thing break out, and notice how we're doing nothing all through here, right? Nothing. Right, nothing. Once we start to break out of this level through here, it is going to be on like Donkey Kong. It is going to break out. It's going to make some serious moves. And we're about to see some really big up moves, right? So from up there, we're probably, if we do start to move up there, we'll probably get a bit of a pullback. But once we see something like that, my goodness, guys, the mining stock is going to be incredible. So the wrap up of today's update is this, is that, man, a lot of the gold and mining stocks are quite strong. If you've been watching my videos for the last few years, you would know that I have been saying, don't touch crypto, don't touch crypto, don't touch crypto. And look at the actual mining sector as well too. So by looking at all of that, right, and looking at what's going on there, the thing that we're actually noticing, and the thing I'm noticing right now, or should I say, probably one of the best investments I see happening this decade, like as the years go on, is probably going to be gold and the mining sector. So guys, I really do believe that maybe this is the start of that really big move in gold. Again, start, right? When I say big move in gold, that happens, that takes months and sometimes years to unfold, right? If I say big moves coming and we go down tomorrow, like, John, the big move didn't happen. Are you serious? Don't be a moron, right? Big moves take time, right? What do? They go, we have a breakout and then we do this. Right? Right? So just keep your knickers in a knot, okay? But I do believe, guys, that maybe, just maybe, we're starting to form that a significant bottom in both metals and miners, and maybe just that big move is just getting started.